In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a private road in Waze. We'll be using the Waze Live Map and Editor to create a road segment and then mark it correctly as a private road. This is useful if you want the map to better reflect roads inside a residential area, subdivision, or village, especially in places that are not meant for general public traffic. To begin, go to Waze and open the live map. Once the map loads, look over to the right-hand side of the screen. This area contains the tools you'll use to start editing. Find the pencil icon and click on it. That will open the editing mode so you can begin making changes to the map. Next, locate the area where you want to add the road. Zoom in carefully until you can clearly see your residential area, subdivision, or village. It's important to zoom in enough so you can place the road accurately and follow the real path as closely as possible. A closer view will make the road easier to draw and help keep the map clean and precise. Once you're in the correct location, start drawing the new road segments by clicking along the path of the road. As you click, Waze will create the shape of the road based on the points you place. Try to follow the road's actual direction and layout as closely as you can. If the road curves, place more points along the curve so the segment looks natural and matches the real roadway. After the road has been drawn, move to the left-hand side of the editor and look for the road type setting. This is where you define what kind of road you've created. Click on the drop-down menu for road type, and from the list, select Private Road. This step is very important because it tells Waze that the road should not be treated like a normal public street. Once Private Road is selected, review the segment briefly to make sure everything looks correct. Check that the road follows the right path and that the correct road type is applied. When you're satisfied, click Save to submit the change, and that's it. You've successfully added a private road in Waze. Taking a moment to place the road accurately and assign the proper road type helps improve map quality and makes navigation more reliable for everyone using the platform.